Well, hello guys. So in this video, we're going to learn about CRUD concept and what it is. And now we are going to create a simple website using CRUD concept. So basically, CRUD concept is a create, read, update, delete. So we're going to be able to create, read, update, and delete the data that we made. Before we start to create that application, you need to prepare for some application first. First, you need to install XAMPP in your computer or your laptop and Visual Studio Code as a text editor. If you're still confused how to install that and then where to install that, I'm gonna put the link on the description box, the link to download XAMPP Visual Studio Code. And make sure that you prepare and then you install these two applications because this is really important. Okay, let's get started to create the application, simple application. So after you already install these two applications, first you're gonna need to open your XAMPP control panel here. Click start on Apache and MySQL here and wait until it changes into a green. Now it's successfully started, and click minimize and open your browser in your computer or laptop. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or maybe Mozilla Firefox if you want, but I'm gonna use Chrome here, and I'm gonna write localhost on a URL, your localhost slash php myadmin slash, and then click enter and wait until we entering php myadmin here. Okay, now we are entering this, and you can see in the left side, this is the databases that I have created before. So now we're going to create a new database and database here. Okay, all you need to do is just click new here. Okay, and give your database name as school and create. And now we successfully create the database name school. And here you can see when you click the school database, then we need to create new table here on the school database. Create four column and give the name of that table is student, for example. Student. Okay, and then after that click create. Now you have four column of your table here, and then we're gonna create ID. The first field we create ID, and the length we just give it as 11, and scroll into the right side and you can see the AI, which means that auto increment. We click on that, so this is gonna make the ID as auto increment. So when you add the data, it automatically gonna increase the ID value. So in the second, we are gonna create name, and the type of the data is varchar. And the third is we are gonna create address, and we make the type as a varchar, and we create the length of that data. Name we are gonna give 60, maybe it's quite good. And for address we are gonna create 100 for the length. And the last data is we are gonna add gender, and the type is varchar, and right here maybe it's 20. It's quite good. Okay, now we have already created the table. Don't forget to click save and wait for the process until the table is created. Now we have one database, that means that name is school, and then we have one table in the database, and the table name is the student. After we create databases, we need to move to our Visual Studio Code to create the website. Okay, we're gonna move into a second part. After this, need to watch the next video. Thank you for watching.